Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
Start by restarting the Samsung TV and your router for 30 seconds. Power the TV off, unplug the router, wait 30 seconds, then plug back in. Inspect the Ethernet cable for visible damage and reset each connector. If using Wi-Fi, confirm whether the network is 2, 4 GHz or 5 GHz and choose the best band. Open the TV network menu and note the current IP, for example 192, 168, 100, to compare with your router device list. Navigate to Settings, General, Network, then open Network Settings to begin. Choose wireless or wired depending on your connection type and select Advanced Settings. Change from DHCP to manual and enter a static IP such as 192, 168, 120 to avoid conflicts. Enter subnet mask 255, 255, 255, 0 and gateway 192, 168, 1 to match your router configuration. For DNS, set primary to 1, 1, 1, 1 and secondary to 8, 8, 8, 8 to improve name resolution reliability across services. If problems persist, use the TV network reset option to clear saved settings and caches. After resetting, wait 30 seconds, then reconnect to your network and re-enter any manual settings you applied. Check software update under support and install available firmware updates, which typically take about 5 minutes to complete. After updates, use the TV network test tool and observe packet success or failure. If tests still fail, contact your ISP and provide the noted IP and gateway to expedite support.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.